Industrial online pH electrodes are used in a variety of environments, including municipal environmental monitoring, food and beverage, papermaking, electroplating, chemical, and aquaculture industries. pH electrodes are consumables. As they are used, the performance of the electrodes will weaken. Especially in harsh water quality environments, the electrode bulb may be covered with oil, grease, protein, metal ions, or other contaminants. Therefore, it is very necessary to properly clean and maintain the pH electrode. Next, we will demonstrate the cleaning and maintenance methods of Darude Funo's glass shell pH electrode and plastic shell pH electrode. The pH electrode with glass shell comes with a protective bottle. First fix the bottle cap, then gently rotate the bottle body to remove the bottle body, and finally remove the bottle cap. Do not remove the entire protective bottle directly, as it may cause the electrode to break due to excessive force. For general contamination, just rinse the electrode with deionized water for a few minutes. After cleaning, if necessary, do not wipe the electrode glass membrane back and forth with paper. Can use a dust-free cloth to gently absorb the water droplets on the electrode head. If the pH electrode is used in a harsh environment, there are many stains or even scale on the surface of the electrode. At this time, some common household detergents such as dishwashing detergent and baking soda can be used. We use a soft bristled toothbrush for cleaning. Be careful not to use too much force during the cleaning process, just remove the contaminants. Finally, we still need to use deionized water to fully rinse the electrode to prevent detergent residue. The pH electrode with a plastic shell also comes with a protective bottle, which can be directly unscrewed. For general contamination, simply rinse the electrode with deionized water for a few minutes. For stains that cannot be effectively cleaned by deionized water, detergent can be used with a soft bristled toothbrush. The protective claws of Darude Funo's plastic shell pH electrode are detachable, which is convenient for customers to fully clean. Use a toothbrush to thoroughly clean the electrode, especially the diaphragm. Finally, rinse the electrode with deionized water to prevent detergent residue. If you encounter stubborn contamination in a special application environment, you can use the corresponding cleaning solution if conditions permit, as shown in the table. Each time the electrode is cleaned, it needs to be recalibrated before it is put into use. When the electrode is not in use, it should be cleaned in time and stored in a protective bottle, filled with saturated potassium chloride solution. The life of the electrode is limited, so it is best to have a spare electrode on hand, so that it can work immediately when needed. It is recommended to replace the electrode with a new one after about 1 year of use. During use and calibration, do not touch the pH electrode glass membrane directly with your hands. And do not let the glass membrane come into contact with hard objects to prevent electrode failure.